If you want to rev up your game projects, you need to harness the power of variables. The little white input bubbles embedded in many Scratch blocks allow you to control how much or how little they affect the sprites on the screen. Change your move from 1 to 10 and you're moving 10 times faster. Change your rotation from 10 to 5 and you're turning at half the speed. To make your games really exciting though, you'll want these numbers to keep changing as your game progresses, and that's where variables come in. If you've made a game in Scratch before, you've probably used these rectangular variable blocks to set and change the score. But the real power of variables lies in these small orange bubbles that Scratch puts in your block tray every time you make a new variable. You can drop these little orange variable bubbles into any white input bubble in your project and use them to take control of that block. Instead of spinning at a constant speed, you can make this sprite spin faster and faster by changing the value of the variable. You can do the same thing with speed, or jump height, or almost anything else your character can do on the screen. One great way to harness variables is to create power-ups for your games. In this fun little dragonfly game, my character moves around at a default speed of 3, but I want it to speed up for a little while every time it touches a glowing power-up. Let's create a speed variable and place the orange bubble into all 4 places in my code where I tell my bug to move 3 pixels. Every time my character eats one of these power-up bugs, I tell the speed to increase to 8. We don't want this effect to last forever, so we'll just insert a wait 5 seconds and then set the speed back to 3. And now our dragonfly is ready to rock the pond.
I feel the liftoff. The clock has started. Roger.